Hello, future toppers. My name is Santosh Gupta, and I welcome all of you to 60 days plan for prelims 2021 to ensure your score beyond 130. Before going into details, let me briefly introduce myself. I have qualified all 6 my prelims attempts with a score above 120 plus and up to 145 twice. I also appeared for all 6 mains and 3 interviews at UPSC. I have also qualified UPSC EPFO in 2017 and BPSC 56-59 in 2018. So let me share you a 60-day plan for you. वो कहते हैं ना कि अंत भला तो सब भला, तो यही है लास्ट का 60 डेज उतना ही इम्पोर्टेंट है जितना आपने साल भर प्रिपरेशन किया, कहीं उससे ज़्यादा. और इसमें फर्स्ट वी थिंग वी हैव टू डू इज अवॉइड पैसिव रिवीजन. हमें इफेक्टिव रिवीजन की तरफ जाना है सिलेबस को, एंड दैट विल हैपन इफ यू फॉलो ए टेस्ट लेड स्ट्रेटेजी कि हम टेस्ट दे रहे हैं एंड रिवीजन कर रहे हैं, टेस्ट दे रहे हैं एंड रिवीजन कर रहे हैं, टेस्ट दे रहे हैं एंड रिवीजन. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट फर्स्ट यू विल रिवाइज एंड देन टेस्ट एंड देन यू विल नो योर मिस्टेक्स एंड देयर विल बी नो टाइम टू करेक्ट योर मिस्टेक. सेकेंडली, हमें 1 year का करेंट अफेयर वी हैव टू रिवाइज. That UPSC, you already know that UPSC at least focus on the 1 year current affair. You can go back from that also, but 1 year is should be more or less enough. And along with that, हमें इंश्योर करना है कि जो प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट है उसमें क्वालिटी हो, so that it enhance your conceptual understanding, it enhance your knowledge, enhance your skills of prelims question solving. You know that merely knowing the syllabus, merely knowing the keywords is not enough in the exam. It will happen that 95% of the keywords in the topic that is asked in the exam you will already be knowing, but it is the mistakes that will make you either fail the prelims or qualify or score 120 or 130, even 140. So we have to ensure the last 2 months, that is 60 days, there is a consistency in the preparation, and including practice tests in your revision strategy will enhance your confidence too and keep maintaining your consistency. So what we are going to do is that I have devised a 60 days plan strategy in which there will be a 32 tests, so that you are appearing test every second day. It will include 8 basic tests also to check whether you have ever understood the basic concept, 8 full tests also so that you remember the whole syllabus at a time. And for the current affair, we have planned the best strategy that is nobody does. That is, we have 12 current affair tests covering the whole year. Even you cover the 100 questions of that test, you are going to cover at least 1200 current affair topics. That itself gives you the depth of knowledge, understanding of current affair for the whole year. And those who feel that they are not that good in CSAT, no, we have 4 CSAT papers also. And we have ensured that the questions are based on the evidence, the UPSC, the questions they ask. Whether you have to use the factual knowledge also, you have to link the conceptual understanding. UPSC no longer ask or very limited manner ask a single option questions. So you are get adapt to the multiple choices 1 2 3 3 2 1 like that. And so that also it enhance your 360-degree understanding of the whole topics, linking each other in polity, in economy, in geography and everything. And there will be overall mentorship by me, and there will be one strategy call in the beginning, and rest through the habitat group, where you can discuss with your mentors. There will be other senior mentors also in the group to discuss your topics. Any doubt you have, you can discuss with among your peer group and also with me. Along with this, magazines, current year magazines will be made available to you for the quick revisions, and we also providing the economic survey and budget videos for prelims 2021, because see, for economy and most of the questions are either inspired from or directly from the economic survey and budget. So you will get PDF also and videos explaining in the detail. Reading summary is no longer enough. Along with also we have score boosting videos, the Tikrams, which will help even you completely do not know the topic. These Tikrams can help you to enhance your score in actual exams. We will see to that. And also there will be a static content in PDF and videos for the quick revision of the subject, all the decimate prelims content for 2021, so that it enhances your understanding, it fills the critical gap in your preparation. So outcomes क्या होगा इसका? It is not merely passive giving test and not analyze. You have to understand, you have to analyze your preparation, you have to analyze your test through a 360 learning approach, so that you understand each and every what kind of mistakes you are making, whether mistakes are factual, whether mistakes are conceptual, or you could not eliminate. See, in each question you have to use your factual knowledge, in each question you have to interlink the concept, and each question you have to eliminate also. So that we are going to learn is that art of reduction. Simple question, answering question in prelims is no longer about the knowledge. It has to based on your total understanding and using the techniques of deduction to reach the final answer. So in this way, we learn this approach of factual, conceptual and elimination that will help you to boost your score. And you will also learn how static and current affair topics can be interlinked. See, in UPSC, UPSC may not ask the current topic directly, but it can ask something related to it in the static, or something related to the static in the syllabus. So we are prepared for that. You have to be prepared for that. Our questions are based on that. There will be static questions inspired from the current affairs. And it will also boost your confidence in next 2 months through overall preparation and revision and testing and interlinking and conceptual clarity over the subject, so that at the end, when you are coming out of the examination hall, you are more and more confident about your selection, and very next day you can go start preparing for the mains exam. And let's see how my students say. Dr. Muniratna, Santosh Gupta sir, mentorship from Civils Daily. I sincerely express my gratitude to Civils Daily for providing such a brilliant mentor, Santosh Gupta sir. Thank you, Muniratna. Sakshi Jain, his approach of interlinking various aspects of topics is very essential for prelims as well as mains. Also helps to do a smart study by focusing on important topics in the ocean of information. Yes, prelims has become an ocean of information, online and offline, and you have to read selectively. You cannot read everything. At the same time, you have to enhance your technique, you have to enhance your understanding to solve the question in the prelims and score above 90s, 100s, 120, and not remain stuck in the 90s. And one more, Santosh sir experience and ability to dissect the syllabus can aid a student excel in the prelims. Thank you, global citizens. Sir helps clarify basics which are very pertinent to the topic. Overall, it has been a great experience being mentored by him. So I thank all of them who has taken time and who has benefited from programs under my mentorship. And if you are interested in joining my mentorship, you can join my Super 20 program also. So thank you for watching the video. And it is said that what ends well ends well. So you have to now leave everything whatever you've been doing due to lockdowns and extension of timelines for the prelims. You have to completely focus on the prelims for this and devise a clear strategy as we have devised for the next 60 days. Come join us and let's qualify prelims.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Civils Daily.